ng probinsya na Cavite. As someone who's been dedicated about environmental awareness for almost 5 years, I see this as something that we need to do. Because I believe awareness and knowledge could be a powerful weapon for us to champion an environmental crisis. Through my journey as a founder of Sulong Kabataan ng Sinilangan, my very own NGO, I've witnessed a painful truth that ignorance can kill dreams, purpose, and can take away a chance for a youth to make a difference. That is why my advocacy focuses on planting seed of earth education in the hearts and in the minds of younger generation. Because through my journey, I met a lot of youth that have a lot of things to offer for the environment. But because lack of knowledge, lack of awareness and support, their voices fades and their direction get lost. That is why, with the help of my organization and the LGU of Cavite Province, we are dedicated to do projects that is already ongoing that promotes environmental awareness. I myself as the one who's talking and making speeches to the youth of Cavite Kabataan about how important environment and how they can use their own platform and power to create change. Because I also believe that I am standing here not just to represent my beloved province, but also to carry a multiple story of these children. I am here to champion a generation that doesn't just dream of a greener future, but knows how to build it. Para sa kabataan, para sa kalikasan, at para sa ating kinabukasan.